In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a ready-to-use workflow board built from a template, plus a clear understanding of the key views that help you manage projects from kickoff to completion. First, open your Monday.com account and head to your workspaces. This is where everything lives, so choose the workspace where your new board should reside. Keeping boards inside the right workspace helps your team find things quickly and ensures the right people have access. Next, create something new by clicking the plus sign and selecting board. A board is the central place where your items, groups, and columns live. Rather than starting from scratch, we'll jumpstart the setup with a template. Choose Start with Template to open the Template Center. Inside the Template Center, browse all templates, then look through the general templates if you want a broader selection. Use the search bar and type Workflow. You'll see several options, but the Project Workflow template is a great starting point because it's structured around common project phases and includes helpful views. Select Project Workflow, then click Use Template. Monday.com will add it to your chosen workspace and create a board with example groups, items, and columns. You can always customize names, statuses, and columns later to match your process, but for now, let's explore what you get out of the box. Open the main table view to see the full board. You'll notice groups that represent phases of work. The initiation section is a common first phase where you define scope, owners, and timelines. Review the items and columns to understand how tasks are organized and think about which fields your team must keep up to date, like owners, status, and dates. Switch to the workload view to see team capacity at a glance. This view pulls from people and time-related columns, helping you spot who's overloaded and who has room to help. For the best results, make sure each task has an owner and realistic timeframes or effort estimates. Open the Gantt view to visualize timelines and dependencies. It's great for planning phases and handoffs. If you use date or timeline columns consistently, the Gantt chart will clearly show overlaps, critical paths, and potential bottlenecks. Head to the dashboard to get a high-level snapshot of status, progress, and key metrics. Dashboards pull from your board's data, so accurate statuses and dates make the widgets truly meaningful. Finally, check the calendar view to see tasks plotted by due date. It's ideal for weekly and monthly planning and for spotting busy periods ahead. That's it. Your workflow is created and your core views are ready to guide execution and keep everyone aligned.